What up, it's your old pal Jim here from Jim K's Vids. I want to do a quick little message to you guys real fast. Now, I know I've been doing much content lately, and I understand some of you guys might be saying, what's up with this guy? Why isn't he doing his videos? Well, you gotta understand that I am very busy, and plus I'm playing for a new channel of my own, so I can't be doing videos all the time, but it is hard to stick to a schedule as well, and man, I look fat. And in general, I wanted to just apologize for the lack of uploads. That will no longer be a thing in the near future. I want to just make it clear real fast that I'll be doing more unboxing videos upcoming soon. I know I did a video, my last video was me saying that I was going to be doing, oh boy, oh, can't fix it. That I was going to be getting a desktop, but I don't think I'm gonna get a desktop. I got a $1,000 laptop, and I'm not gonna be doing much work. Having two Windows-based machines is like buying two cars. Like, why would you want to buy two cars? You're better off just buying one if it's just gonna be you driving. So I just figured I do need a new iPad, so I figured I'd get an iPad Pro, 11-inch, and do that, like the latest and greatest 2018, along with the new Hero 3 White. No, not Hero 3, Hero 7 White, and go from there. So I just wanted to make clear to you guys that I'm not flunking you. I am just really busy. But now I will resume to be my old self in the near future. So that being said, don't forget to smash that like button, punch that subscribe button right in the face, and don't forget to peace out and continue watching because there's more coming this year.